Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix the HC error on your Samsung dryer. The HC error code on your Samsung dryer indicates a problem with the heating system. First, let's check the power supply. Make sure the dryer is plugged in securely and that the power cord is undamaged. Check your circuit breaker panel and reset the breaker associated with the dryer or replace the fuse if necessary. Next, we'll ensure proper airflow. A clogged lint screen can cause the HC error. Open the dryer door and remove the lint screen. Clean the lint screen thoroughly. While you have the lint screen out, it's also a good idea to check the dryer vent at the back of the dryer for any lint buildup and clear that as well. Now we'll examine the heating element, but remember to unplug your dryer and disconnect the power cord before you proceed. To access the heating element, you'll need to remove the top panel of the dryer by unscrewing the screws holding it in place. With the panel removed, you can inspect the heating element for any visible damage or breaks. If you find a faulty heating element, it will need to be replaced. Near the heating element, you'll find the thermal fuse. It resembles a small white device. To test the thermal fuse, you'll need a multimeter. Disconnect the fuse and touch the multimeter probes to the two terminals of the fuse. If the multimeter shows no continuity, the fuse needs to be replaced. Let's check the temperature sensor. Locate the sensor, usually a small device near the heating element, and disconnect it using a multimeter. Test the sensor for continuity. If the multimeter doesn't register a reading, the sensor needs to be replaced. Now we need to make sure the dryer vent hose is clear and properly connected. Disconnect the vent hose from the dryer and check for any blockages or kinks. Clear the vent hose if necessary and make sure that it is properly connected to the outdoor vent. As a final step, try resetting your dryer. Unplug it from the power outlet and wait for about 5 minutes. Plug it back in and run a new drying cycle to see if the error is resolved. If you have tried all these steps and are still facing the HC error, it is time to call a qualified technician. They can diagnose the problem accurately and perform any necessary repairs. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.